How to add music to YouTube Shorts on PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, make sure your Shorts is already uploaded on your YouTube channel. Simply click on your profile on top right and go to YouTube Studio, and then go to Content, which is located on left side. After that, simply click on Shorts and select the video. After you've selected video, you'll find options on left. Simply scroll down and then click on editor. In editor, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find audio. Simply click on audio and add audio. This is not available on my device, but it will be available on your device. This is how to add music to YouTube Shorts on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.